In this video, I will show you how to unhide your post on Facebook. If you had a post on Facebook in the past and now you want to unhide it, now I will show you how to do it. All you have to do now, go and open your Facebook. After you open your Facebook, tap on this menu at the top right side. It will take you to this option now. Scroll to down and tap on this settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, tap on this settings again. Now scroll all the way to down and tap on this activity log. Scroll to down. Here is it, activity log. Tap on it. After you open activity log, all you have to do now, tap on this your Facebook activity. Scroll all the way to down and tap on this manage post. Under this manage post, as you can see now, tap on this filter option at the top right. So tap on this all category. So tap on this second option, your posts and photos and videos. So now as you can see now here all are my posts. I just hide them. So if you want to just unhide the post, just select the post. As you can see, just mark on the post. So if you want to select all, tap on this select all and tap on this little icon, little three dot at the bottom right side. After you tap on this three dot, tap on this change audience. Tap on this change audience again. So tap on this public and tap on this change. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.